Good morning students. Today we will see periodic classification of elements. What are the type of matter? What is the matter? What are the type of elements and how the elements are classified? What is the meaning of classification? You in your home, if we collect all the things, then what will happen? In this way, classification of elements, the elements are classified first in three groups: metal and non-metal metalloids. Today, 118 elements are known, and the elements are the properties of elements we have to know, and therefore there is a need of classification of elements. Dobbe-Reiner. First scientist Dobbe-Reiner, he arranged all the elements in their increasing order of atomic mass. He found that he took three elements having same properties. He found that the middle element is the mass of the middle element is the sum of the masses of first and third element. That is, first you have to take lithium, sodium and potassium. The lithium has an atomic mass number 6.9, and next element is potassium has 39.1. The arithmetic mean of the atomic masses of lithium and potassium is equal to the atomic mass of the sodium. Here the atomic mass of the sodium is 6.9 plus 39.1 divided by 2. This is the arithmetic mean and of lithium and potassium. This is the mass of the sodium. Next example is calcium, strontium and barium. Calcium C1Ca, atomic mass is 40.1, and barium's atomic mass is 137.3. The arithmetic mean of calcium and barium is 40.1 plus 137.3 upon 2, that is 88.7, which is approximately atomic mass of the strontium. And third example is chlorine, bromine and iodine. Chlorine's atomic mass is 35.5, iodine's atomic mass is 126.9, and the arithmetic mean of these two is 35.5 plus 126.9 divided by 2 equal to 81.2. This is the approximately atomic mass of the bromine. Trades means a group of three. In that period, there were 30 elements discovered, and all the elements cannot be classified in the Dobbe-Reiner's trade. Then next scientist is Newland. Newland's law of octave is Newland arranged all the elements in their increasing atomic masses. Then every eighth element has property of the first element. Here, just like a note of the musical note, sa re ga ma pa dha ni. Here we arrange the elements according to their increasing atomic mass: hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. These are 7 elements: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then the eighth element oxygen is fluorine and it comes below H. And next eighth element is sodium is below lithium. In this way, every eighth element has same property as the first. In this way, the chemical and physical properties of lithium, sodium and potassium is same. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium has also same. Boron, aluminium, chromium has same elements. Carbon, SiT. In this way, in all of the elements were discovered at that time were not classified by Newlands also.